How to pay with Apple Pay on Pandabuy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can pay with how you can pay with Apple Pay on Pandabuy. Now, I want you to know that this is a very simple process. It's just the same way of paying directly with any means or payment options available on the Pandabuy website. The next thing for you to notice is if your device is compatible, if you're able to make payments with Apple Pay. And next thing you have to notice that not all regions can use Apple Pay to make payments on Pandabuy. So you have to note or know the region, or if your region is capable of making payments using Apple Pay. So once that has been sorted out, the next thing for you is to visit the Pandabuy website and logging into your account. So once you've logged into your account like I have done here, just navigate through your cart if you have any products in your cart that you'd like to get. Or if you can just go ahead and then search out a new product, whichever one. The major thing is for you to purchase a product. So once I click on this product that I want to get, it will direct me to another page. Wait for it to load. Okay, so just go back, I guess network. So click on chat again, and then you'll be taken to your product. Then here you'll see quantity, you'll see different things about your product. Then click on select all. Once that is done and you've answered all the questions, just go ahead and click on submit. And once you are able to click on submit, and a box would be displayed to you and they will ask to make payment. Now, once you are directed to the payment page, you'll be asked to select the payment options. Under the payment options, you will see Apple Pay. Select Apple Pay. Once you select Apple Pay, you'll be asked to input your card details. Just input your card details, and once that is done, you'll be asked for a verification code if it's truly you. Then you put your verification code. Once it is done, the money will be deducted immediately from your Apple Pay account and you'll be able to pay for the product. So that is how you can pay with Apple Pay on Pandabuy. Like I said earlier in this video, just the same way of paying for any product or buying any product directly on the Pandabuy website. So this is how you can use or you can pay with Apple Pay on Pandabuy. Thanks for watching.